Good evening, keyboard warriors. Yeah, let me start. Yeah, so today our topic is related to Benzene network system and our latest release and updates related to it. So I will start with our first topic about giving away $5 million worth of crypto coin in next 2.5 year time frame. The idea has been from the beginning that majority of our crypto coins we plan to give away to our users rather than sell them. Because crypto coin is, well, we never thought much about it when we started this, but over the time frame we started realizing that it's better to give away coins rather than sell it. Because majority of people who want to buy crypto coin are not those who want, yeah, are not those who want to participate in cryptocurrency, are rather than investors. And since we are developing a crypto game project, and it's make more sense to give it away to our users so they can participate rather than ask them to buy it, then they can participate. It's become more like a gambling. But that's the idea and foundation behind it. And let's start with why $5 million worth of, and where did this evaluation come from. For a start, our total supply is equal to Bitcoin 21 million, and majority of our coin are locked, and so we for 2.5 years. So 75% of our supply is locked for 2.5 years, which means we have no intention of selling our own shares until the project is complete. But rest is not for selling, it's more for the new users who are new to cryptocurrencies to able to participate and able to earn money through it rather than invest first then earn money. It's the idea, yeah, or a foundation where we started, and hopefully it will lead to a different conclusion rather than the other crypto companies where most of them ask you to invest first then participate, and when you invest they just rug pull and end the game. And right now our first topic has been about giving away crypto coin. And if anyone ever want to ask any question, feel free to ask here, and I will I will put personal effort in responding them. So related to our crypto game, there are several games that our team is working on right now. But the first game that is about to complete in couple of months is crypto chess. And I want to take a brief time to just explain what crypto chess is about. Crypto chess game is about two players playing chess like chess.com. The difference is there is a ranking system. the, Actually, that's not the main difference. The difference between is that you can earn through playing the chess game, and I will try to dive into it more deeper in a way a normal users can understand. In normal crypto chess web, if those who are not familiar with crypto chess, I mean chess.com. Chess.com is a website where people play chess game and try to increase their ranking and have a pleasure while doing it. Mostly it's about that. So what we are building is a crypto chess game. And when I say crypto chess game, I mean a game where people can participate with cryptocurrency involved in it. So let me start with our own game. It's a game. I am currently the main designer who is personally involved in it, in developing it, and other projects are as well. But mainly in crypto. And the way we are building it, it's a game where two strangers can communicate while not giving their own identity. And and that's all about it. It's a basic chess game. There is nothing special to it. If I started saying it's the smart contract based chain, it's not. It's just a chess game where we included crypto in it. How we will give away our BNS coin? By the way, right now the current market price of BNS is $1.02, and based on that we evaluated 5 million coin equal to 5 million. Hopefully it makes sense. So right now we plan right now the topic is how we plan to give away the money. Basically there will be a ranking system in our game where participants play like chess.com. The difference is those who are in top 10, we will distribute 100 BNS weekly basis to those who stay at the top of the chart. That means those players who are playing actively and always increasing their ranking or trophies, or if they call something else, I am just not a gamer at the moment. I'm more a developer. So I don't know exact term, but let's say the ranking points. And those who are at the top of the ranking points will receive the total coin contribution of 100 BNS, and 100 BNS will distribute among top 10s, like the one who is at the top, like the number one player will receive the maximum out of 100 BNS, and the one who is at the 10 will get the least amount of BNS. Basically, weekly basis, we will check the score, and those who have top rankings will get the 100 BNS just by playing. And by the way, playing the crypto chess game will be free for every player. So basically, the way people will earn crypto coin in this game will be by just being good at it. And there are other ways of earning crypto in it, like there is a 100 player, it's a smart contract system where 100 players participate. Each player has to pay 1 BNS and the winner get the pot, which means all 100 BNS. And the ratio is like 100 to 1. You lose 1 BNS if you lost, but if you win, you end up winning 100 BNS. So let's start with second topic. If there's any questions related to it, anyone can ask, like usual. The second top, picking a game server based on user base. We will pick the main server for our game based on its geographic. Basically, it's mean we will held a voting system where the participants can choose which region they are from, and we will try to make our server built there. So most player, those, for example, if someone is from, majority of our users are at the moment from Africa. So if the voting system get maximum voting, then we will build our server in Africa rather than Japan, which we already have server in it. But we plan to build our server where the most our users are, so player can have maximum chance of low latency and winning. Now the next question, next topic, how coin will be distributed. Yeah, I believe I already decided about it, told you about it, that how coin will be distributed among users. It will be a ranking system where top 10 players will earn weekly basis. I will personally distribute among top 10 players the total 100 BNS. It's a team giveaway, so no one has to pay any dollar in it to participate. Just be good at game and you will earn weekly around under $100. So that's it. And how will the distribution will work? Like, we know that the person who will reach at the top at first will get the highest amount, but we haven't decided how much that will be. But we will use total of 100 BNS, where we distribute the highest to the first ranking guy and least amount of BNS to the guy who ranked 10, and we will only distribute among top 10 of our top performing players. Okay, now the giving away will be okay. Yeah, and about the game we are about to complete, since there was no registration system for crypto wallet, we have to create it from scratch. So first there will be a registration system where people will register their wallets. Basically, you have to connect your wallet and website will register it. And over time, when you wins match, there will be ranking added with your wallet name, and we will just send the money to your wallet automatically by your ranking. And smart contract, we don't have plan on using smart contract in terms of this system, but other than that, where people participate, 100 player participate, each pays one bns, there will be a smart contract included. And what is the next system and the game design? Yeah, about game, the game has been already designed and completed. We are now testing it on servers, and right now we are partnering with Photon Engine. It's a system where, like PUBG and Fortnite, the multiplayer system which allow people to play game in a low pin environment with high efficiency. Basically, the Photon Engine is our not an exact partner, but we are partnering with their software, and that will allow us to make our game multiplayer. And what about other Photon Engine? Actually, it was quite low. These are the topics. Now I will check the comments. If there isn't many, the live stream will be about that. Okay. There aren't many comments. So yeah, that was the all the live stream. And yeah, that's it for today. I just wanted to give an update, like we are not a dead team. We are working on it. And these are the update. Wish you all the best.